Let's make what I call the Far North cable car. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill. We're focused on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a cable car version that is based on the Yelander spiced rum from Far North Spirits, which is why I call it Far North cable car. Note that this is not the original cable car. I do have a recipe for the original cable car. It's here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to go check that out and know a little bit more about that history. Also note that this is the second version of the cable car that I found on the Far North Spirits website. If you've watched enough videos, you know I'm a big fan of Far North Spirits, not only of their products, but also the people in the company. So I frequently go back to their website to check out to see if they have any new recipes for me to make. And when comparing notes between the cable car and the cable car, I noticed that the recipes were different. So this is version number 2. The old one I call the Nordic cable car, and this one is the Far North cable car. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a Far North cable car, you really have to use a Yelander spiced rum from Far North Spirits. If you don't have the spiced rum, you can use another spiced rum. It'll still be a cable car, it just won't be a Far North cable car. To make this drink, we're going to start by rimming the glass. I'm not very good at this. I've got a little setup here. I've got a coupe. I'm going to dip that. There's water. I don't know if you can see the water in there. Dip that in the water. And then I'm going to run this through cinnamon sugar. And this is, their proportions for cinnamon sugar is 2:1 sugar to cinnamon. And I do have a short on how to make cinnamon syrup. Feel free, that'll be linked down below too if you want to check that out. Now that that's rimmed, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to set these aside. The first thing I'm going to add to my shaker is the Yelander spiced rum. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters, of this into the shaker. 3/4 of an ounce of Grand Marnier. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 3/4 of an ounce of turbinado sugar syrup. This is a 1:1. If you don't have turbinado sugar, you can use a light brown sugar instead. 3/4 of an ounce? No, half an ounce. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And I do make all my own syrups. The recipe for this will be in the description down below. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Add some ice. And give it a shake. I'm going to double strain this, so that means I need my other strainer. I'll be right back. Glass, strainer, shaker. Double strain into your coupe. And the garnish. Other than the rim on the glass, we need a twist of orange. Do you go vertically or do you go horizontally? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm going vertically today. Give it an expression. And I'm not going to wipe it because that'd take off the cinnamon sugar. I'm just going to drop it in. And there you have it. A Far North cable car. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. What is your favorite spiced rum? I'd love to know. I'd love trying spiced rum, so if you've got a good one, let me know what it is in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, there are social media links down below that you can contact me through to get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me on any of those. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, especially if you like Far North Spirits. Give me a subscribe, especially if you like Far North Spirits. And turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do. Until next time, cheers.